Good morning, students. Subject English. Lesson number 1. The last lesson. The title of the lesson number 1, it is a source about to the last lesson. It means in the story there is a person who is taking the last class of his school life. I am not saying about that he is going to retire, but the circumstances is not favor of his, and that is why it is the last class for the students. We know in the class that the students are the studying, but in the last class who will attend and who will take part in the class. So here it is a mention about the full descriptions of the first. I am starting it. I started for a school very late that morning and was in a great dread of a scolding, especially because of the Mr. M. Hamel had said that he would question us on a participles, and I did not know the first word about them. For a moment I thought of running away and spreading the day out the doors. The lines informs here about that I started a school that day. It means about the morning, very late. I felt myself very dreadful. Here it means about to the it means about to the consider here as a author. The author felt herself very dreadful. It means he felt herself very fear because of the Mr. Hamel. M. Hamel here considered as a teacher of the school. He asked questions to the students related to the participles, and our author did not know any answer. Even he did not know the first word about to it. For a moment I thought of the running away and the spreading the days out of doors. So here it is a mentions about that the what is the plan of the author not to attend the class. So he thinking about that running away from the school and spend the day out of the class. It means about to the he does not attend the class. It is just a thinking about our author. It was so warm, so bright. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, and in the open fields back of the Swan Mill, the Persian soldiers were drilling. Drilling here comparing, showing about that the marching. It was all much more tempting than the rule for the participles. But I had the strength to resist and hurried off to the school. There are the numbers of the things that our author showing his not interest. Even he does not want to attend the class. He wanted to remain outside because there are the numbers of the sound of the birds. Here it is a mentions about the chirping at the edge of the woods. Next here it is a mention about their open fields. There is a Swan Mill. Even the Persian soldiers, they marching. So those are the things tempted by the author. But finally the author not tempted. He got a strength. He resist himself and he hurried to attend the class. When I passed for a town hall, there was a crowd in the front of the bulletin board. For the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from there. The lost battles, the draft, the orders of the commanding officer, and I thought to myself without us stopping, what can be matter now? So here it is a mention about that the our author decided, he never tempted, he decided to attend the class. So when he passed nearby in the middle of the town, there is a one of the bulletin board, and last 2 years on the bulletin board there is a written about something bad news related to the lost battle, about to the orders of the commanding officer, something particular notice on the bulletin board. And I thought about myself without a stopping, what can be matter now? So the people are the gathered to there, and he did not stop there, but the people gathered to there, and that is why he is thinking about that what was the matter that the people is there. Next paragraph, page number next. Then as I hurried by as fast as I could go, the blacksmith watcher who was there with the apprentice reading the bulletin called after me, "Don't go so fast, Bob. You will get to your school in a plenty of time." Here it is a mention about that the people informed to the author that you have a time to go to your school, because uh, here it is indirectly mentioned about that you have a time. It means that the no one disturb to you, because there is a less traffic, there is a less people uh, use the road, there is a less transportation, so you can be the easily reach to your place. So here it is a mention about that you have a time, you have a plenty of a time to reach the school. So do not hurry to yourself. And it is informed by the one of the blacksmith watcher. Next here it is a mention about that I thought he was a making a fun of me, and reached M. Hammel's little garden all out of breath. He heard the blacksmith word, but he thought about that he was making a fun of me. It means he just teasing to me. Finally, our author reached to the M. Hammel's uh, in Hamel school. There is a mention about the they entered into the school campus. Here it is a mentions about the garden of the and having the lot of pressure. So here it is a mentions about the out of breath. Usually when the school began, there was a little bustle which could be heard out in the street. The opening and the closing of the decks, lessons repeated in a unison, very loud, with our hands over our ears to understand the better, and the teacher, great ruler, rapping on the table. So here it is a mentions about the what type of the school that the author study. So here it is a mentions about that whenever the students visited the school, they entered the school, so there is a lot of sounds. There is a mentions about that there is a sounds coming from the street. Next here it is a mentions about the opening and the closing the text. Here it is the lessons, there is a repeated, there is a sounds, there is a with the ruler of the teachers just rapping on the table. So that type of the circumstances there is a mentions about that whenever our author visited the school. But now it was teacher, but now it was all so still. I had counted on the uh, commotions to get my desk without being seen. But of course, the day everything had to be as quiet as a Saturday morning. So here it is a mentions about that the what the feeling of the author had when he entered the class. When he entered the class, he felt herself that it is a looks like the Sunday morning. It means about the Sunday there is a holiday, and the school is a totally vacant, and that is why there is a no student, no teacher. There is a very calm and the peaceful atmosphere. But it is not a Sunday, but it looks like a Sunday. Next here it is a mention about to through the window I saw my classmates already is their places, and Mr. and M. Hamel walking up and down with the terrible iron ruler under his arm. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened I was. So what was the reaction of the our author? He opened the window. He just looking inside. So he look about that with the ruler in his arm. It means about to the M. Hemal's arm, walking here and there. He opened the door and he tried to reach inside. He felt herself very fearful and the blushed. Blush here means about to the fear himself very shameless, because already he was very late, and even he did not know about to the participle, even the first line of the participle. So it was a very fearful situation for our author. So it is a explanations, further explanation I will post later. Thank you, students.